If you have been considering Go High Level, now is a great time to try it because it's Black Friday deals this week. So they have specials, um, 50% off for the first 3 months. So that is a huge savings and definitely a great way to kind of try it out and see everything that you can do. This app replaces everything that you're using right now, honestly. Um, so within conversations, if you're more of like a manual person, you've got, oh, I probably shouldn't show you my contacts. That's private information. Ah, go away. You can do sort of like pipelines of opportunities. You can do like tasks. You can automate like reminders and to-dos. You can set up calendars like Calendly. Um, these three here are the big ones to be using. So marketing has your social media planner. It's got your email campaigns. Hi. Affiliate manager, all of that kind of stuff here. Automation is like crazy. Anything you can imagine you can do. So, for example, I have a brand new lead magnet up on my website about building an author guide. So my trigger is that when somebody submits this form that I created, then they get an email that delivers the PDF, then it waits, it adds a tag so that I can personalize the content and things like that. It's incredible how many different things you can do with these automations. It's all if then, if then, if then. You can do anything you can dream of. Then, of course, you have funnels, websites. There's an e-commerce store. They now have webinars, blogs. You can connect it to WordPress. I haven't done that. The client portal, all different kinds of forms, surveys, quizzes. You can do a chat widget. I haven't played with that. Memberships is courses as well as communities that are kind of like a Mighty Network style. You can have people get certificates for going through your courses. Stores media. You can do things around reputation and reviews, but this is not really part of my business, but it's like no matter what kind of business you have, you've got the tools in here of everything that you could possibly need, really. I'm pretty sure. This is something new, AI employee. I don't use much AI, but apparently you can try this out for free. I believe it's through the end of the year, but you definitely, oh yeah, here it is. Free until December 31st. So you can test it out and see how you like it for free right now. And again, Black Friday deal is awesome. So I highly recommend hopping on that. I have a link in the description, which is, of course, my affiliate link. I do get credit when you sign up for this platform that I use for everything. I don't tend to use the funnels area much because I build funnels within websites. These are templates that came with the previous thing, but like I have my website as an author, I have financially free author, which is what this is posted under. I have my husband's website. So yeah, I just cannot recommend this highly enough. You definitely will be able to build your business on here, and I know the user interface isn't the most slick, but you can watch my videos. All of them have advice and help on how to do all kinds of things in here. So I gotta go get my daughter ready for school, but check out the link.